Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to recover deleted contacts on your iPhone. So let me directly get into this step. So first one, just go over here in the settings, and right now over here at the top you can see there is a profile icon. You have to tap on this one, and right now over here you can see there is an option called iCloud. Tap on this one. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and go over here, see all options, tap on this one, and from here you have to scroll down. And right now we have options called contacts, or we need to just turn this off. And right now they're going to ask you the question, keep on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. So go for keep on my iPhone. So right now once you turn it off, you just need to wait, and right now you need to turn it on back. So it's asking you to merge, just go for the merge. While going for the merge, what happens is all the data that's stored on your iCloud will be turned back on, so that you'll be having all the contacts on your iPhone without any issue. So that's all you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.